Hey everyone, and welcome to Crypto Whiteboard 101. This is a series in which I answer your top questions about cryptocurrency in less than 2 minutes. And for today's first video, we are going to be starting off with the question, what is a cryptocurrency? Now, quite simply, a cryptocurrency is simply a digital form of money. So, it's like my credit card, right? Well, not exactly. You see, when you pay with a credit card or a debit card, you're still paying in a government currency like dollars, yen, or pounds. You're just doing it electronically. By contrast, a cryptocurrency is not issued by a government. At the same time, they are usually not issued by a company either. In fact, cryptocurrencies are created by a decentralized network of computers that work together to issue the cryptocurrency and verify the transactions. These computers form a decentralized network, which means that they all operate independently, but they're working towards the common goal of issuing new cryptocurrency and verifying the transactions. People who contribute their computing power to verifying these transactions earn a small portion of the newly minted cryptocurrency through a process called mining. What are some examples of cryptocurrency? Currently, the largest cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, followed by Ethereum. However, there are many other cryptocurrencies in use, over 1,000 of them. So, what do you want to do to get your hands on some crypto? Well, unfortunately, you can't actually hold crypto in your hand. There's no such thing as a Bitcoin. Rather, cryptocurrencies do not exist in the physical form. Instead, they exist as entries in an electronic database. So, to hold cryptocurrency, you need some form of an electronic wallet. It works very similar to your bank account, except that pretend you couldn't go to your bank account and get checks or coins or dollar bills. You just have to spend electronically. That's kind of what cryptocurrency is like. So there's a lot of different things to learn about cryptocurrency. I hope this video gave you a nice introduction to what cryptocurrency is, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.